all the lights. I love it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're in the Mini. You wanna know why today's an exciting day? Today marks officially 2 years since this thing was up and running last. So it runs, it drives, we almost have all of the break-in kilometers down on the new Mini motor, and we're taking it to its first Cars and Coffee event, which is gonna be so much fun. You guys hear that? Oh, those backfires. So I still have some issues to figure out with the Mini, but for the most part, it works. I've got some check engine lights, I've got some other lights that are in the dash. It seems like so far it's all like electrical stuff, but it doesn't seem to be too difficult to fix. So we're driving, it all runs, it works, coolant's all topped up, engine oil's fine, and we're making our way to our first Cars and Coffee event. We have a little surprise in the back too, but we'll get to that in a second. Yeah, a lot. The car is still on the stock tune, which is an issue because I can tell that it's running a little bit too rich, and it's not exactly working as it's supposed to. So, as it is, I'm only driving it up to about 3,000 RPM. Once I tune it and do the secondary oil change, I should be able to do, I should be able to drive it at a little bit higher of RPMs. Here comes a bump. Shit, that was a good one. And there go all the electricals. Where's the four-ways in this thing? Right there. Okay, good start to the night. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so note to self, avoid bumps. That was pretty big, not gonna lie.
We're good.
The surprise in the back is all good, so, okay, back to Cars and Coffee. Oh, it's not even tuned yet, oh. Yeah. Babe, this is gonna be fun. Yeah. It just backfired, that's all it does. Yeah, fun car to say the least. I highly recommend turbos. Rolling up to the car meet in a car that hasn't really been seen by any of my buddies in over 2 years was pretty fun. Check out some of their reactions. Oh, Lambo. That's sweet. What the f is this thing?
Are you a YouTuber?
Oh, we got the camera. Wait.
I've never been to video.
Hey, I'm Kyle. That's it. That's all I got. I had to introduce myself. That's Nielsen.
Do you like Monster energy drinks?
I do, and I like drywall a lot.
Okay, we're parking.
Rev it. Rev it.
If you guys have ever been to a car meet, you'll know that you're gonna find a lot of cars, a lot of modified cars, a lot of people, loud exhaust typically, and sometimes some driving in Mexico, if you guys know what I mean. So whenever there's a car meet, there's typically going to be a presence of police there. So just, keep that in mind, be respectful. And there were some police officers there. And what was cool enough is that because my girlfriend surprised me, you'll see in a second, with this surprise, I wanted to give one to a police officer. So check it out.
You literally just missed OPP all rolling out of there. Like three
Wait, yeah, why
just
is
pulled out.
Why is everyone there?
No one's there because they're there.
You
Are they coming here? They should be because the owner's over there. Okay.
I'll go over there. I want to go see.
Man. Big reveal.
Oh, there's cake.
It's backwards.
Awkward. I can't read it.
Big awkward.
No,
I ain't doing that.
Oh my god. 2 a.m. That's not stiff at all.
Man, he's parking up.
Bobby wave. Yeah, bring him a slice. That'd be so funny.
The cop? I'll give it to him.
Yeah, we'll slip some like.
Oh, that would be hilarious.
I was more than ecstatic to see a whole bunch of my friends that haven't seen this thing in years finally see the car. Now, I also took some of you guys for a spin in the Mini. I wasn't able to like completely beat on it yet. There's still some tweaks and fine-tuning things that I need to worry about with the car. But for the most part, it runs, it drives, it's good, and it's so much fun.
Yeah.
Guys, this is not only for me, this is for all of you. 2 years later, tons of work, lots of money, lots of time, and a hell of a lot of patience. Love you. So the cake was actually really good. So it was a pretty decent sized cake. There was a lot of food. There was pretty much more than enough for everyone there that wanted a piece. They got one. And even some people had seconds and even thirds, for those fat kids. But
Cake in my mouth.
one bite.
One bite.
One bite. One bite.
I love you.
But anyways, it just means that I need to work on this car a little bit more, fine tune it, and then we'll be able to beat on it at the track. So I have the car aligned, the car is driving pretty good. I have that little electrical problem that I need to fix up, but I first need to do the first oil change on the Mini. Let's get started with that. So we initially put the engine oil, the break-in engine oil inside the Mini, and what we're gonna be doing today is gonna be doing the first break-in oil change. So this is after 300 kilometers of driving. Technically it's 301, but 300 kilometers of driving, you're supposed to do an oil change. So I'm gonna be draining all of the oil, instead of in like your regular oil can that you'd pick up all the oil from when you take the drain pan out, I'm gonna be using a clear container to see if we have any kind of metal particulates inside of it. I'm also gonna take a look at the oil filter once I take it out. So from underneath the car, you're gonna need an Allen wrench to remove the drain plug, and you're gonna need a 27mm socket to remove the oil filter. So let's get started. So after doing the first oil change, you guys can see how gross this looks, but that is totally normal for the first oil change. So because the piston rings have not fully seated up to the cylinder walls, you're gonna have some blow by, and that's why the oil has turned this gross color. So you're gonna see gross oil like this for the first, maybe even second oil changes. When you do more of them, it should clean out because the piston rings should be properly seated at that point. If you guys also take a look at the oil filters, you'll be able to see a good color difference between the two, even though these are the same filter. So because the oil is this gross color, it stained it, and that's why it looks like that. But I'm gonna be doing a regular oil change, new filter, new O-ring, and also on another side note, take a look at this. This here is the drain plug that I removed. This is a Mishimoto one. And you can see that on the end of it, there's like a little bit of like goop. That is metal particulates that have worn off the engine and are now floating in the oil. So this magnet caught it all, and we can actually wipe this off. So for the first oil change and even the second one, we should see this. That's totally normal. However, if you keep on seeing this after multiple oil changes, that'd probably be an area for concern. But take a look at the little sludge that's come off. You can expect that from an oil change. If you don't have that in your first oil change, I'd be concerned. Now also notice that it's all fine stuff. There's no like large clumps. Like, this is all relatively small stuff. So with that being said, we can put new break-in engine oil along with a new filter in the Mini. Listen to that turbo. Alrighty guys, so we've got a couple more kilometers to go to do the final break-in. So this is now break-in stage 2. So I'll be able to drive the car a little bit more. I'll be able to push it wide open throttle, but I cannot go over 5,000 RPMs. So with a boosted car, breaking it in is very finicky so that you don't break anything. So it's, you know, it's a really important thing to do. That was 3,500 and it was that loud. With nothing in the rear of the car, no seats, no sound deadening, no nothing. Like, the only thing you hear is exhaust, and it's so awesome. It's very raw. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun. We got some more kilometers to break in, but after everything's all said and done, we should have a functioning, big turbo, built Mini Cooper. And then come the track days. Anyways guys, if you have any further questions regarding the video, comment section's down there. You guys know what to do. I'm going to be having some more videos regarding the Mini coming out, so be sure to stay subscribed. If you aren't subscribed, click that damn button. It takes 2 seconds. It's free. Go for it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.